Greetings everyone, my name is Livinus. My presentation topic for this video is based on secured network architecture design. Please listen carefully as I dispense this to you. I will speak on all components and how they interact with each other within the secure network design. The design of the secure network is made up of 5 different parts: the demilitarized zone, the security gateway, the internal network, the perimeter network, and the security management system. Let me speak on the perimeter network. The perimeter network is the network outermost layer that is in charge of defending the network against threats that originate from outside the network. A VPN concentrator, a perimeter network firewall, and an intrusion detection systems are the components that makes up the perimeter network. Through the process of filtering traffic and blocking malicious traffic, the firewall shields the network from dangers originating from outside world. The network is kept under surveillance by the intrusion detection system, which looks for any unusual activity and notifies the security administrator if they find any. A safe and encrypted connection can be established between the external network and the internal network by utilizing the VPN concentrator. Let me speak on the internal network. The internal network is the second layer of the network and is in charge of guarding the network against threats that originate from within the organization. A switch, a router, and a server are the component that makes up the internal network. The switch serves as a conduit for data transmission between the external network and the internal network. The demilitarized zones and the internal networks are both connected to the router, which then routes the traffic between the two. The security monitoring management systems are hosted on the server. Let me talk on the demilitarized zone. The demilitarized zone is the third layer of the network and it is in charge of preventing unauthorized users from accessing the network. A firewall, an intrusion detection system, and a virtual private network VPN concentrator makes up the demilitarized zone. Through the process of filtering traffic and blocking malicious traffic, the firewall shields the network from danger originating from the outside world. Let me speak on the security gateway. The security gateway sits on the fourth layer of the network and is in charge of warding off any attack that may be directed at the system. The security gateway includes a virtual private network VPN concentrator in addition to a firewall and an intrusion detection system. Through the process of filtering traffic and blocking malicious traffic, the firewall shields the network from dangers originating from the outside world. Let me speak on the security management system. The security management system is the fifth layer of the network, which is in charge of managing the network security and is also the final layer. The security policies, a security event manager, and a security audit trail are the three components that makes up the security management system. The security policies that applies to the network are determined by the security policy server. The security event manager is responsible for keeping an eye out of any potential threats to the network and producing reports. The security audit trail keeps a record of everything that happens on the network and can be consulted in the event of a breach in security. At this juncture, I will discuss on the result of the GVM scan. The GVM scan found that the system is vulnerable to a number of different types of attack. It is possible for a hacker to insert SQL code into a server, allowing them to run whatever they want. This can be used to view sensitive data, modify data, or delete data. An attack can inject malware into a website using a technique known as cross-site scripting. This can be used to steal users' data, redirect users to malicious websites, or perform other malicious actions. When an attacker has access to a server, he or she can remotely execute arbitrary codes. This can be used to view sensitive data, modify data, or delete data. The vulnerabilities can be exploited by an attacker in order to gain access to sensitive data, perform unauthorized action, or redirect users to a malicious website. This brings me to the last topic of these discussions. I will describe and discuss the security issues and implications of advanced and novel network and protocols. To protect their network as well as data, organizations should develop comprehensive security systems that address the particular threat of modern and emerging network technology. Advanced and new network technology present a number of specific dangers that includes 1. Increased interconnectivity. As networks become more advanced and complex, the potentials for security breaches increases exponentially. Advanced network and protocols often rely on a large number of interconnected devices and systems, which can provide opportunities for malicious actors to exploit vulnerabilities. 2. I will talk on cloud-based service and applications. The increased use of cloud-based service and applications can also create security risk, as sensitive data is often stored remotely and may be less protected than on-premises systems. 3. I will talk about the unknown and emerging threats. Due to the constant evolving nature of the network technology, it can be difficult for organizations to keep up with the latest threats. As new threats emerge, organizations may be unprepared for vulnerabilities to attack. 4. Lack of standardization. There is often a lack of standardization among different network technologies, which can make it difficult to deploy and manage security solutions. 5. Limited visibility and control. Advanced network can be difficult to monitor and manage due to the sheer volume of data and traffic flowing through them. This can make it difficult to detect and respond to security incidents in a timely manner. To address this risk, organizations should consider implementing comprehensive security solutions that include the following components. Firewall. Firewall can help to prevent unauthorized access to network and system. It is possible to identify and prevent intrusion on network as well as system by using IDS, IPS system. Data encryption. Data encryption can help to protect sensitive data from being accessed by unauthorized individuals. Access control. Access control measure can help to restrict access to network and system to authorized individuals only. It is possible to make employees more secure by providing them with security knowledge and training. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening and God bless you.